Hey everybody, so we have got another product that has been revealed for the Boxycharm, the limited edition skincare box. So we're still waiting on the purchase date, so just make sure your bell's on and I will keep you updated on that. Now it is going to be $49.99 for the box, and it's going to be 8 items worth over $250. And as you've already heard, you pre-order in April and then it will ship out in May. And again, it's early access for the annual members. Now, I don't understand why they did this, and I know there's a lot of people upset. And I get it. I'm with you guys on that. I don't understand why they did it that way. But if you do want to become an annual member, of course, you know there's that option to do so under your Boxycharm account. So anyways, I'm going to show you the first 3 that has already been revealed. Now, the first one is the Glow Recipe, the Watermelon Jelly Sheet Mask, and you will get a set of 2. And let me see, I thought I had a price on this. I don't guess I got a price on those, but these are supposed to brighten and it will smooth out your lines, and it's good for all skin types. Now, the second thing is, of course, the Glam Glow Super Serum, the 6-acid refining treatment. Now, this is worth $65. It's a universal serum and has activated charcoal that clarifies your pores and it hydrates your skin for a more healthy, glowy skin. So that one is the second one. Then the third one that we had is the SelfTaught Beauty Coconut Cleansing Oil. Now this is valued at $32. And this is supposed to hydrate while removing impurities and makeup. So guys, it looks like a pretty good box. Now I'm going to go ahead and tell you the new one. This is the one they just revealed today. This is the Saturday Skin Rub-A-Dub Refining Peel Gel. Now this is valued at $28 and it is supposed to gently lift impurities and dullness to reveal firmly refined skin. Looks like some pretty cool stuff. Now you guys know that I've already put out a video which has now been privated. It showed 8 items that will be in this box, and it was, I don't know if they're going to have different variations of it or not. And I'm debating whether to show y'all some flashes of the rest of the items or exactly what. I don't know. Maybe I'll show y'all little hints at the end of this video or something. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they didn't want the whole box refilled, and somehow or another it did get leaked out. So I'm not going to show you guys the products, but I will drop you guys some hints, and I'll flash some hints on the screen of the products yet to come. But I'm going to leave the reveal up to Boxycharm because, and of course, as always, Boxycharm will be linked below in my description box if you want to go check them out. And also, I'll have another video coming out later if you do sign up with Boxycharm in April of the stuff that you could get in that box. So that video should be going up next. But anyways, guys, I will reveal these spoilers as soon as they come out. Just make sure your bell is on so you're notified every time I upload a video. And for those of you who do not even know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly beauty subscription. Now you could get it for $21 a month. With that, you will receive 5 full-sized or deluxe sample-sized, and that's not often. Most of the time it is full-sized items. You'll receive 5 of them in your box, and it'll be worth over $100. Now, there is an upgrade option. That is Boxyluxe. Now, Boxyluxe is $49.99 every 3 months. In that box, you'll get over double the amount of products that is in the standard Boxycharm box, and it will be worth over $300, and they are supposed to put only luxury items in that box. But I have seen them slip up and put like Morphe or some brand like that, which really isn't luxury. But I think they've got it straightened up now. I'm not sure. So if you want to go check them out, they are linked below. And remember, guys, to hit that like button because it shows YouTube that you are enjoying these videos. And also subscribe and become part of my Glow Tart family. I have got like the best subscribers in the world, and trust me, you will not regret joining this online family because we all love each other, we all care about each other, and we take care of each other. So guys, I love you so much, and I will see you in the next one.